Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will review Coursiv Io. Coursiv Io is an online platform that allows users to create, market, and sell digital courses, primarily targeting educators, coaches, and entrepreneurs. It offers a range of features designed to streamline the course creation process, including customizable templates, payment processing, and option for content organization. When it comes to legitimacy, Coursiv Io, originally considered a trustworthy platform, users appreciate its user-friendly interface and the support it provides to creators looking to share their expertise online. Many users find the platform helpful for reaching their audience and monetizing their skills, although some may find that advanced customization options are limited compared to larger, established platforms. Coursiv Io appears to be a legitimate and practical tool for course creators. It provides essential tools and support for building and selling courses online, making it a useful option for those entering the digital education space. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.